Hey there, welcome to another 50 Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a caramel apple crumble cheesecake using our 50 Express apple filling. So put on your aprons and let's get started. To make the crust, we'll need 2 cups of Graham Cracker Crumb, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Combine all ingredients in a bowl. Mix using a wooden spoon or a spatula. Mix well until it resembles wet sand. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the crumb mixture to a springform pan and press it down firmly until you form your crust. You can use the back end of a measuring cup to really compress it down firmly. Bake in your preheated oven for about 5 minutes until golden brown. Set it aside to cool down. For the streusel topping, we'll need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 4 to 6 tablespoons of cooled and melted butter. In a large bowl, combine the flour, the pinch of salt, your granulated sugar, your light brown sugar, your ground cinnamon, and whisk together until fully combined. Add the melted butter, 3 tablespoons at a time. Combine it with your whisk until it resembles chunky pieces. Use a wooden spoon or your hand to break up larger pieces. For the cheesecake batter, we'll need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese at room temperature, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of 50 Express vanilla flavoring, and half a cup of heavy whipping cream. In a bowl fitted with the paddle attachment, mix the cream cheese at low speed for 1 minute. Add in the sugar and continue mixing at low speed. Now add the vanilla. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl and continue mixing for an additional 2 minutes at low speed. Continue mixing at low speed until flour is incorporated. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl one more time, and in the stir setting, add in your heavy whipping cream very slowly. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl, including the paddle. Continue mixing at low speed and add in 1 egg at a time. Your batter should be silky smooth. Pour your batter onto the cooled crust. Let's add in some of our 50 Express apple pie filling. Swirl it into the batter using a small spatula. Top it with your streusel topping and add in as much as you'd like. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cheesecake for 45 minutes to up to an hour. until center is set. Once the cheesecake is baked, cool it down on a countertop and chill it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. To unmold your cheesecake, carefully run a small spatula along the edges of the cheesecake. Open the springform pan and it should release as easy as this. For garnish and to add a little caramel flavor, top it with our 50 Express dulce de leche topping. Pro tip: add a little bit of dulce de leche to your serving plate to prevent the cheesecake from sliding. Finish it off with the dulce de leche. Now it's ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50 Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time.